I got this one. All right.
The following contest is set for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightingale.
Here we go. Up. A smile is a spell and contagious, can't you tell? That's why the crowd's on the feet before the bell. It's Willow Nightingale. Staying on the mark, one Owen's heart. It's the party with the bounce. Are you hearing this? Stat letter got a back, ain't no fear in this. Hit people with the pound, period. I dig it. Thanks, man.
Her opponents are in the ring, Robyn Renegade.
I told Robyn Renegade her sister is Charlette, and she's outside the ring. Not unlike the situation that Willow Nightingale has been dealing with lately, with both Mercedes Martinez and Diamante seeming a two-headed monster, a thorn in the side of Willow.
Absolutely. The Renegades have shown themselves in singles competition and in tag team competition to be dangerous.
Well, the power and the personality of Willow Nightingale every time she's on Collision. Fans are talking about it. They're tweeting, they're sending notes. Social media always blowing up. She's perfect 3-0 thus far.
Yeah, it's the great personality she has, man. She's contagious. She's a smile that's contagious. And right now, she has Robyn up. My God, she's so strong.
You good?
The Owen Hart Foundation tournament winner. That's what you got to do.
I'm out.
So Robyn Renegade, you get to see how Robyn can fare. I like that. That is a good, solid right hand.
Don't give Willow space. Should take it. My God.
Heavy elbow. And the splash.
With the smile.
Willow's great friend Chris Statlander certainly has a host of challengers for her TBS title. Snap suplex. Willow will pop the hips, and Robyn will go for a ride again. Why have two, Caprice, when you can have three amigos? But wait a second.
Robyn doesn't want to name it that. That's okay.
Fisherman. Bridge, hands clasp. No.
Talking to Martinez earlier, and she thinks that Willow is putting her nose in business. It's not hers. The business is between Statlander.
Well, I would say that both Mercedes and Diamante have made their business with Chris Statlander Willow. Again, you're trying to affect the outcome of matches. You're trying to cost Willow Nightingale victories and money. And wait a second. Oh! Wait a second.
Oh, my goodness.
Crashing down hard to the mat. Willow Nightingale battling Robyn Renegade. And this match continues picture in picture. We're back on AEW Collision. As you can see, Willow Nightingale battling Robyn Renegade and has been on struggle street up until now, but this crowd, Caprice, what a difference maker it's been.
There are some people that function by themselves, and there are some people that grab the energy of the crowd, and Willow is one that uses the crowd.
Robyn Renegade has certainly not gotten cheated on any strike, any offense she's been able to muster.
But it's the babe with power and total control. Throws her in. Beautiful spine buster.
And now the stack cover. Posey almost gets three.
That's what I like about Willow is the poise she has. She's not rushing into anything else, taking her time. She knows she's in control.
And obviously Mercedes Martinez and Diamante never far away from thoughts of being involved. Uh-oh. Look at the speed. Oh, cannonball, but nobody home.
That's that anticipation. Robyn doing her homework, knowing what Willow has to offer. Robyn ascends to the top rope, Kevin Kelly.
And yes, there it is. Missile drop kick. After the big one in the center of the ring. Win, lose, or draw, Robyn Renegade is making a name for herself here on AEW Collision.
Without a doubt, Robyn Renegade back to her feet, knows she's in control.
And down goes Willow Nightingale.
Willow melted to the outside.
Sister Charlette. The eyes for her sister on the floor.
See the eyes of Willow, man. She's not going to stop. Determination at its best.
Oh, wait a minute.
Come on
now.
now.
Risking disqualification. Oh! Willow will take those 2-on-1 odds. Make it work. Certainly something for Mercedes Martinez and Diamante to think about.
The Bay Bomb.
Shut up!
Winner of this match, Willow Nightingale.
Oh, I can't wait to see who emerges from All In as the AEW Women's Champion. Because whomever that is, they are going to have to deal with Willow Nightingale.
Yeah, and anytime you're dealing with someone like Willow Nightingale, the Women's Championship division is definitely on fire.
Hey, the stars of AEW are out in London.